Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we
Hi
love.
friends! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Selle. In today's video, we are going to decorate our small living room for Christmas. This is the second part of my Christmas Decorate With Me. I decorated our small front porch on the first video, and I will link that in the description box below if you want to check it out and watch it after this one. I hope this video inspires you and gives you tons of Christmas decoration ideas to use in your own home. Let's get started! We got a new Christmas tree this year from Lowe's, and my husband is putting it up right now. We wanted to get the 9 feet, but it went out of stock fast, so we settled for a 6.5 feet, which is the same exact tree that we wanted but shorter. We do love this Christmas tree because my husband likes multicolored lights on the tree, and I just like the warm clear lights. With this tree, we get the best of both worlds, so no compromise needed. It is absolutely beautiful, and we're still planning to get the 9 feet next year to replace the other one that we have in our family room, since that one is a bit old. I did not decorate the Christmas tree here and hang all the ornaments because I wanted to do a separate video for that. I started here by our entry table. I put the same decorations here every year because I do love it, and it's simple but festive, I think. Let me know in the comment box what theme did you do or doing this year for Christmas decorations. I'm doing lots of white and red like I always do. I picked up some new decor this year, and most of them are from Hobby Lobby. I did a Christmas decor haul. If you guys wanted to see that, I will link that video in the description box below as well, so you can check it out after this one. Here, I'm changing the picture frame that I have because it's not matching with everything else that's on this table. I'm just using this red one that I have for a couple years now. Every Christmas, I do change this.
All the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
Here on the coffee table, I'm putting this Christmas floral that I have for I think like 3 or 4 years now. It's old, but I always use this here for the coffee table because I think it's just the perfect size. And then under the Christmas tree, I'm putting this Christmas tree skirt that I also have for a long time now. This is my first Christmas tree skirt, and it is special to me. There's a Santa face on top of it, and I just really love this one.
Moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Moving on to the fireplace mantle, I love this big festive sign that I got from Kirkland's, and I got it for 20% off, so that's a bonus. This is easily my favorite Christmas decor finds this year. It's such a nice centerpiece on any fireplace mantle or empty wall. On the right side, I'm adding this 3 with different sizes Christmas tree that I got from Hobby Lobby to balance the candles decor that's on the other left side. I also left my heirloom garland that I use for fall here to add some greenery color here, and I just love it. If this is your first time here in my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a full-time working wife and a mom to one sweet boy. I would really love it if you stick around and subscribe to join my YouTube family for more contents like this. Lots of cleaning motivations, tons of home organizations, grocery hauls, and mom life. I upload new video every Friday. And don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you will be notified every time my new video goes live. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are awesome. Thank you so much for coming back and watching. I am hanging this Christmas stocking with command hook. I was gonna get something for the fireplace mantle, but I think it's going to block the sign, so I end up just using command hook instead. And let me tell you, this Christmas stocking, I have wanted this for a long time now, but it's always out of my budget. But for this year, we did save up money for our Christmas decoration, so I was able to get them, and I just really love it, especially these ones with the paw prints. These are for our puppies. The white one is for Thor. He is the white German Shepherd. And then the red one is for Dixie. She is the black German Shepherd. And then we have the JJS, which is John, Joseph, and Selle. I really love these stockings. And then I just topped this off with the candy cane garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. I had a hard time decorating this fireplace mantle when we first moved here, but little by little, I'm learning and getting comfortable.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And then I just added some red ribbon on these candles to give it a pop of Christmas color. I also add battery operated string lights here that's on a timer so that it lights up at night and it looks super pretty and very magical. Okay, so my second favorite Christmas decor find this year is this Santa's figure. I've always wanted one of these, but I just haven't found the one that I really like. This one is just the right size. It's not too big and not too small. I really like this one. He is so cute. He is holding Christmas tree on one hand and tons of gifts on the other. I really did like it too that it matched this sleigh that I got from Target Dollar Spot, and then I just added some of these fake gifts that I got from Hobby Lobby.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate.
To add warmth and coziness to this space, I put this wood crate next to the Christmas tree and added this throw blanket that is super soft and comfy. And I also added this Christmas throw pillow that I have for a few years now. And I thought I gave it that warm, cozy, comfy look that I'm going for. For the pillows, I did not buy any new ones. I have a few that I already have from the past years. One is already in the wood crate and then the other one I'll be using in the family room. For here, I'm just changing up the covers that I got from Amazon last year. It's definitely the easiest way to transform your couch instead of buying new pillows every season or holiday. And it's less expensive and also less space to store.
Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da.
I got a few of these black plain Christmas garland to put in different areas of my house, and I'm going to put one here by the front door, and I'm just going to add these red cherry picks to add some color to it.
Oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning.
That is all of it for this Christmas decor video. I have a part 3 and 4, so stay tuned and keep an eye on my channel for those upcoming videos. I'm decorating our family room and the kitchen, the stairs, and the Christmas tree. And I really do hope that you find this video inspirational and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as it helps my channel. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free, and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you and your time spent with me, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!